Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I have another independent Kickstarter deck to share with you today. This is the SwordsWomen Tarot by Ravenswood Academy. So they send me over their prototype deck and I am so excited to get into it because this is featuring swords women throughout history. So I'm really excited about the theming. I'm excited about what it looks like. I've already seen pictures on their Kickstarter page, which of course will be linked down below in the description box. So please check them out if you are interested. I am so not wanting to open up this little stamp, but I know I have to, so hold on. Okay, that felt really wrong to do, but we do have a tuck box here. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, there we go. And it will have a guidebook, digital and hardback, depending on how much I believe the backing gets done. But there is the back of the deck. That's so pretty. I love the Victorian theming on this. And it looks like we're doing the minor arcana first. Okay. So I am really excited about this because of the attention to detail. And then we have some keywords on the sides too. We have conceive, augment, and many. And then on the other side, triumph, conquest, and excess. So you want to be reading the right side. So if you do inverse like this, reverse cards, you're still going to be reading the right side. Awesome. Okay. I know it's going to be a pip style, but all of the art looks very pretty. The different hilts of the swords. I love that the keywords aren't distracting either. So if you do just strict intuitive readings on your cards, this isn't going to be a distraction because it's so nice fitting in with the borders. But if you do need a little bit of help, they're right there should you need them. Okay. Those are really pretty. The detail. Okay, and then the wands are walking sticks. So I thought that was a really cool choice. Oh, we've got mushrooms. That's cute. I think this is a pretty cool concept. I think those of you who are intrigued by history, the Victorian era, shoot, even cosplay, would be a very good deck to check out. All right, coins. Oh, we got 2 here. Oh, we're missing a 3. That's okay, it's a prototype. Kind of going a little bit quicker through the minors here. Oh. Before we get to that, let's finish off with the cups here. And we have more Victorian style cups. Oh my gosh, the cacao. Oh, and we don't have a 2 of cups either. But this will give you a feel for what it is, which I'm all right with here. So far, it's really pretty. Okay, not final, not final. Okay, so that's what it is. Hasn't finished the artwork. That's fine. Let's go on to the major here. I'm going to put it in order. Okay, so not all of the cards are finished for the major, but here we go. We've got the Empress, the Emperor. The artwork is stunning, and I love the duality of having the minor arcana all like a flat color and then the major being popped with all of this color. Hierophant. I'm assuming Joan of Arc. The Chariot. Look at how beautiful these are. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. The Hanged Man. Oh, that's gorgeous. The little attention to detail. Death. Temperance. The Tower. Oh my goodness. The Star. And the Sun. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, first of all, I think it's really unique. I haven't seen a deck like this. The cardstock, I'm not going to comment too much on the cardstock because I'm not sure what's going to end up being the final cardstock, but this is not bad at all. Very flexible, but it snaps back. It's not too thin, but it's just the right thickness for myself. But like I said, I'm not going to comment too much on that because, again, I'm not quite sure what's going to be the finalized version after the Kickstarter is completed. But nice. I obviously am not shuffling the whole deck, but still, that's very nice. So if this was the cardstock that I was going to be left with, I would be completely fine with that. All right. Yeah. So concept is really cool. I like the attention to detail. I like the added keywords there. I like that it's not obstructing my view of the art. It might be a little hard for beginners. So if this is going to be one of your first decks, it might be a little hard to learn on it. But you do have those keywords, and always, if you want more in-depth readings, a reference book will be fantastic for you to have by your side if the guidebook doesn't feel like it's going to be enough for you, which I'm not sure about the guidebook yet. Like I said, it's not yet released, but I do think that this is a really cool idea. I'm loving the art, especially in the majors here. I think it's stunning. I love the idea of like empowering the women and having historical backing with that, as far as like, these were real people. And I hope the guidebook like goes into depth, like why they chose this particular woman for this card. I'm sure it will. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. Have you heard of this deck before? Have you heard of Ravenswood Academy before? I'm really excited to see how this comes to fruition. And thank you so much to Ravenswood Academy for sending this my way. I am loving the Victorian stylized version of this deck. I think that's so cool and neat. I'm just blown away with like the idea behind this. I think this is very, very cool. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. And if you have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Drop a, do we have a sword? I don't think we have a sword emoji. Drop an evil eye, because that's the only thing I can think of off the top of my head right now, and to let me know that you made it this far. So thank you all again so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. Check their Kickstarter out. I love supporting independent creators. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.